guys, hope all of you are doing great. Today we will be solving a Leetcode medium question that is based on binary exponentiation. Binary exponentiation is a very frequently asked question and topic in HD interviews that are happening recently. Uh, so the question is power of x comma n. It's a Leetcode medium question as you can see. And so the question asks us to implement a power function x comma n which calculates x raised to the power n. So as we can see, it might seem an easy question that we can do it in a linear way. That is 2 to the power 10. So we can do what we can do is multiply 2 10 times. So we would get 2 to the power 10. But it would take O of n times. The best fact or the one of the interesting fact of this question is that we can do this under O of log n time. So binary exponentiation is right. So we can write 2 to the power 10 can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 5 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2. Similarly, if my exponent is negative, that is 2 to the power minus 5, then what we can do? We can do in this way, like 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 2 into 1 by 2, or 2 to the power minus 1. So as we can see here from this point, that 2 to the power n, if n is even, can be broken down to 2 to the power n in n by 2 into 2 to the power n by 2. Similarly, if n is odd, then we need to multiply either 2, like if 2 to the power n and n is odd, so we will be multiplying an extra 2, or divided by 2 if n is negative. Now we can generalize this. If instead of 2 we took a, and instead of that exponential power we are taking it as b. So a to the power b is equals to a to the power b by 2 into a to the power b by 2, and depending on if b is odd, then an extra term will come, that is into a. So implementing this and making this a recursive function, we will be writing it as like so double bin pow is our function name, double a comma long b. Okay, so now clearing the screen. So yes, so 2 to the power so b, if b equals to 0, that is when my power is 0, or when a, or my term, that is a to the power b, when a is 1, then obviously we will be returning 1. That's a simple thing. Now what we are doing is double result is equals to bin power a comma b by 2. We are calculating a to the power b by 2. Now we are implementing the same that is told just a few minutes before I told, that is absolute value of b percent 2, if that is odd, then equals to 1, then and b greater than 0, then result star a will be our answer, and if it is even, then simply we will be writing result star result. And for negative numbers, negative exponentiation, we will be dividing the whole result by a. Now when we will be calling this function return bin power x comma n, and now submitting this question, I think it would give us submitting this. Yes. So as you can see, it's getting accepted because this is calculating the power function power x comma n. The time complexity for this function is O of log n. It's not O of n, it's the optimized version O of log n.